Looking at the steel-hulled trawler, very deep keel, single engine, and it also has a keel cooler. More on that later. But what I'm pointing out here is our Get Home or our Come Home auxiliary engine. You can see this is a sail drive or an inboard-outboard concept with a folding propeller. As I come around here, I'll grab the propeller and show you how it folds open. See, there's the propeller, it folds open, and you can see how it operates. So when you're running the boat with the major or the primary propulsion system there, this will feather, meaning these will actually fall back and not create any drag and will not rotate, chewing up the gears or the oil inside the gear case right here. So looking at this, you can see it's steerable up inside there. It rotates just like an inboard-outboard would rotate on a ski boat, so to speak. And in the front, we've got this big delta fin right here. This is a weed guard. This would protect weeds or crab trap lines or lobster trap lines from actually getting snagged on this outdrive, also known as a foot. So if you want to know more about auxiliary propulsion, Get Home systems, remember, ask Captain Chris.